come and buy my paper. Auntie, come and buy my paper. This will make your soup dance. Buy my paper before I scatter it for ground.
If you want to create a video just like this, watch this video. I am AI as well.
If you want to start your faceless YouTube channel using AI, like this video is for you, because in this video you are going to be getting a detailed tutorial on how to start your faceless YouTube channel using AI. Like the apps I'm going to give you is for free. Everything we are going to be using here is the app that you have already known. So if you want to start your faceless YouTube channel, this is very detailed video for you. So let's dive into the tutorial so that I will show you how to get the script, how to generate your image, the apps you need to use for you to generate your image, and how you can be able to turn it into video and post it either in your Facebook, your TikTok, your YouTube. Just that you always need to change the aspect ratio. So if you really want to know that, if you really want to start your channel today, then watch this video till the end. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do also subscribe, comment, share, and hit the bell icon to be notified anytime I post a new video. So let's dive into the tutorial. So the first thing you have to do is to go to your ChatGPT. Your ChatGPT is like, I'm going to show you the script because I have no knowledge of the type of video I wanted to post, and as a beginner you have no knowledge, like you don't know where to start, where to get your prompt. Like we'll be doing all that here. So just go to your ChatGPT, and which video are we going to be creating? Maybe let me say, let's ask ChatGPT to know the video that he's going to be generating for us. So let's just type, please give me an image that I want to turn into a funny video that can make people to engage. So we have no idea of the type of video that we want to create, so we are asking ChatGPT to help us. So after typing it, you can just send it. Let's just wait for its answer. Sure. So help me make the perfect funny image for your. Let's just check the options they gave us. What kind of video are you planning? For example, comedy skit, funny advert, meme video, funny story. Like who or what should be in the image. So the ChatGPT is telling us like what do we really wanted. Maybe let's just say a funny video about a woman that is selling maybe pepper in a market. Perfect. That would be really funny and relatable. Do you want the image to look realistic, or let it be like, answer a lot of questions because we have no idea of what the type of video that you want to create. But if you have any idea of the video that you want to, you just tell ChatGPT to look at the video that we are going in to generate image for me. So I'm not paid for the pro version of ChatGPT. You know that generating image is sometimes difficult, but if you have paid for it, it will generate image for you. So let's just say yes, a realistic video. So we send that to ChatGPT. So nice. Give me the prompt. So as we are waiting for the ChatGPT to generate the image for us, it's also giving us the prompt. Even if it can't generate the image, you can as well use the prompt to go to any other app. Like I'll be using my WhatsApp. Sometimes I use my WhatsApp, sometimes I use the Gemini to generate my image. So what I have to do now is to copy the prompt then copy. Then I will now head over to WhatsApp. Then on WhatsApp, you can use Gemini to generate your prompt. So on WhatsApp, I will just paste this thing in this Meta AI. I'll paste the prompt there and ask Meta AI to generate image based on this prompt. So I'll paste it. First of all, right here, generate image. After pasting the prompt, we will wait for the Meta AI to generate prompt for us, to generate image for us. So look at this image, is very, very beautiful and very clear. So we'll be copying this, we'll be downloading this image. Sometimes it will just download depending on the setting you give to you set on your WhatsApp. So maybe on my own, it has already saved on my gallery. So what we are going to use next is this app called Digin, or Digin. Yes, Digin. So we'll be using this Digin. This app, if you have not gotten it before, you have to just download it, put in your email, like, so that it will be very easy for you. So this is a paid app, but the free version, you can do anything with it. It normally gives 300 coins for you to use in a day. So when you finish that 300 coins in a day, you have to pay before you can generate anything again. So but every day it's used, like, they are good in giving coins. So when you come here, after creating on your account, just tap on this login, just tap on it, put your email address. As you can see, my own, I have added my own. Then after everything, what you have to do is to click on this create. You will see here generate video. So what we have to do is to tap beside it. You see this gallery option. Then we upload the video, we upload the image that we generated. So let's just wait for it to generate. 100%, yes, this is the image. So here where they ask prompts, you can just, if here you can just put your own prompt, or you can just put the same prompt that you added on the Meta AI. So you can just put it. Let me just copy the prompt and put it here. So this video is, you can choose the how many minutes you want the video to be, whether 10 seconds, whether 5 seconds. Like 10 seconds is for paid app. Is how many seconds you can create a video, it's 5 seconds. But if you want it to be more long, it can be 10 seconds and upwards. So that is it. So here, if you want your video to be more upgraded, you can put it to 1080p, but now they gave you the free version, but now the free version is 720p. So what you have to do is to put in the prompt that you typed in on ChatGPT, paste it here, and then if you want to change anything, you can just change it. So I don't need any effect on this video. So this talk, if you want the video to talk, here there are so many options. You have upload. If you have any voiceover that you want to add on the video, you can just download it from here. They say it upload, you can just download it here. But if you did not have, you can just tap on the record and use your voice as the voiceover. So many people use the, like here you see Bigfoot, you can tap it and there are so many voice over there. But I don't advise to use it, because when you upload that video on YouTube or anywhere, they will, like, you'll be fighting for copyrighted. They will tell you that your video is copyrighted because of the music. So I always advise you to use your own voice, or your children's. Like if you are creating video about children, about kids, you can use your children voice, or any child around you. Or if you are your sister, you can just use somebody around you and create the voice over. So as for the video I'm doing now, I'll be using my own voice. Maybe let me just say, what are we going to be? maybe just if you want to record your voice, tap on the mic icon. Then let's just say about, what are we going to say? If you don't have anything to say, you can just go to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT, please, I want a funny voiceover for my image. Let's just do that. I want a funny voiceover for my image, very short funny voiceover for my image, so you can be able to do that. So let's just say, let me just tell ChatGPT, please, I want a funny voiceover for this image. So let's wait for it to generate. Perfect. We can, okay, voiceover. ChatGPT generated this voiceover and said, ha, buy my pepper, e go make your soup dance. So no be small pepper, this one they make your tongue do wahala. This one will make your tongue do wahala, beg. No look, buy now before I scatter am for ground. Like this thing, I want it very simple. I want it so you can just put the one that you can be very easy for you to say. I want it very simple. Very simple. Let's just use this one. Ha, buy my pepper, auntie, you no go buy my pepper. This one go make your pot of soup dance. So please buy my pepper before I scatter am for you. So after saying that, if you make a mistake, you can delete and start over again. So let's just use this one for the sake of this tutorial. So then if you want the one that you generate, like if you are good with the one that you gave, you can just mark good. Let's just listen to it. Ha, buy my pepper, auntie, you no go buy my pepper. This one will make your pot of soup dance. So please buy my pepper before I scatter am for you. So you can reduce it if you want. So let's just check it. Buy my pepper, auntie, you no go buy my pepper. This one will make your pot of soup dance. So please buy my pepper before I scatter am for you. So after doing that, you can just add it to your video. When you click on good, after giving the voiceover, you click on good. If you want AI effect, you can just put it here. So if you want music, you can as well put it. Like all these things that are here is like depends on, if you are making use of it, it depends on what you are, on the type of video that you are creating. This one is prompt effect. If you need effect, this one is app motion. Like anything you wanted, you can just use it here. So after everything, you can just generate your image. So this is very simple, like a very simple video. If you really want to start your faceless YouTube channel using AI, it is a very simple video. It's not confusing at all. Just use your ChatGPT to generate your prompt. You can download your image on WhatsApp with Meta AI. You can just as well go to Gemini to download your images. So after that, you bring it to Digin. Digin will help you to turn it into video. Like it's very, very simple, like ABCD. So sometimes it's like to generate it takes maybe sometimes it's 30 minutes, 25 minutes, 10 minutes, depending on the size of the video. So that is it. This one is 17 minutes. So this is a very simple tutorial on how to generate your image and turn it into video. So if you are planning to start your YouTube channel, this is a very good tutorial for you. You might have seen this video at the beginning of this video, so the video we generated. So if you find this video helpful, please do want to subscribe, comment, share, and hit the bell icon to be notified anytime I post a video. So you can as well drop any AI effect, any AI effect you want me to teach about. So I'll maybe in my next video I will just gladly upload it for you. So see you on my next video. Bye.